What if I told you one of the richest men on Wall Street was exposed by a math teacher? Bernie Madoff is a legend, former NASDAQ chairman, friends with billionaires and charities. His private fund never loses money. He claims a secret option strategy. One problem, the numbers look too perfect. In Boston, a quiet quant named Harry Markopolos gets Madoff's strategy as a puzzle. He runs the math and realizes Madoff would need more options than exist. Markopolos writes a memo to the SEC largest Ponzi scheme in history. The SEC shrugs. Starstruck by Madoff's reputation, they do a shallow check. Meanwhile, Madoff keeps the machine running. New money pays old investors. Then comes 2008. Investors panic and try to pull out $7 billion. He confesses to his sons. His investment strategy never existed, just a 20-year lie. The FBI arrests him. Agents raid his office, finding no trading desk or Bloomberg terminals. Forensic accountants reconstruct the flow. $17 billion in actual principal is gone. Madoff gets 150 years. His assets are liquidated. Trustees claw back money from early investors. Today, compliance teams teach the Madoff case as a brutal lesson in fraud detection. You might be staring at a crime that only unravels when the math refuses to lie.